In this video, we're going to cover the basics of coin grading. Coin grading is one of the biggest factors that determines a coin's value. Before getting a coin graded, make sure it's actually worth the cost. The most trusted grading companies are PCGs, NGC, and ANEX, with PCGs and NGC generally preferred for valuable coins. Using the 1947D Lincoln Wheat penny as an example, an MS65 red coin sold for about $16, an MS66 red sold for $56, an MS67 red reached $690, and an MS67 Plus red sold for an incredible $18,000. This shows how even a one-grade difference can dramatically increase a coin's value. The reason is rarity. Thousands of 1947D pennies exist in MS66 condition, but only a handful have been graded MS67 Plus, making them much more desirable to collectors. Before grading a coin, inspect its condition carefully. If it's heavily worn, grading is usually only worthwhile if it's a rare key date coin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more coin collecting tips. Thanks for watching.